Before there's a quest, there's a question. Before analysis, curiosity. Before design, desire. It's the nature of discovery, and it's what we're made for, all of us. Discovery is more than the line that divides light from darkness, clarity from obscurity, answers from questions. Discovery is what it means to be human. At Genencor, we know discovery by itself isn't the objective. It's a path forward. Sometimes it happens in solitude. Most often, it happens with others. Discovery is nothing if not for sharing. For almost 30 years, we've been sharing our discoveries and innovations with the leaders in both first and second generation biofuels. We've broken new ground in corn and cellulosic ethanol, made deep research and financial commitments to the industry, and innovated when our clients needed it the most. We've made biofuels a viable business, and still, we're moving forward. Our next discoveries? Enzymes in both first and second generation biofuels that help reduce water and energy use, eliminate complex chemistries, and ultimately make our partners profitable. At Genencor, we live by this paradox. The more we discover, the more questions we ask. And isn't that the secret to sustainable business? The inexhaustible energy of ideas. Join us and discover the nature of discovery, a calling, a commitment, and a journey we make together. With Genencor, the next discovery is always the best.